Before making any adjustments to the seat matters chairs, lock the 2 brake casters at the back of the chair for safety. To replace the lever, first we locate the lever that we wish to replace and loosen the bolt using a 4mm Allen key. Then we disconnect the cable from the gas strut. That allows us to remove the lever and cable entirely. To fit the new lever and cable, we feed the cable back through the frame and reconnect it to the gas strut by feeding the barrel at the end of the cable into the gas strut head and clipping it back into place. We then retighten the bolt that holds the lever in place.